Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin using Zelle, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your purchase through this popular US-based payment network. Step 1. Find a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency platform that accepts Zelle payments, such as Paxful. Create an account and complete the required identity verification process. Step 2. Navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section and filter payment methods to display Zelle options. Browse available offers from different sellers. Step 3. Compare seller ratings, exchange rates, and transaction limits. Select an offer that matches your purchase amount and has good seller feedback. Step 4. Initiate the trade and carefully read the seller's payment instructions. Note the seller's email or phone number registered with Zelle. Step 5. Open your Zelle app or access it through your banking app. Send the exact payment amount to the seller's Zelle account using their provided details. Step 6. Return to the trading platform and mark the payment as sent. Upload any confirmation screenshots from your Zelle transaction as proof of payment. Step 7. Wait for the seller to confirm receipt of the Zelle payment. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be released from platform escrow to your wallet. Never send Zelle payments outside the platform's protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.